Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how I make my onion oil. In this case I'll just need two recipes, which is my onion and my oil. So I'm going to start by chopping up my onion. So now that I've cut all my onions, I am going to transfer them into my pot. I have my pot here, and I'll be pouring my oil in. So and then this is my oil and my onions, so I'll be putting this on my stove. So now I'm gonna place my onion on the stove, and I'm gonna cook this for the next 15 minutes. So I leave my onions on until they're floating. You know, they're floating. They're not at the bottom. So this tells me that my oil is ready, because these onions are just on top now. They're floating, and so I'm gonna turn the heat off, and I will still leave them here to cook a little bit more. I don't want them to burn, because then my oil is not going to be effective. So I'll just keep stirring my onions. The heat is off, and even the color has changed. So I let this sit and cool, then I'll transfer it into my jar. So my oil has cooled down a little bit. It's not cooking anymore, so I'm gonna strain it. So I have my jar here. I'm just gonna let my oil cool down completely, and then I'll transfer my oil into my jar. So now our oil is ready. It's cooled down. I am going to put it in my jar. So there we are. Our onion oil. This oil is very good for fast growing hair. You can apply this oil on your hair and on your scalp 3 times a week, and your hair will grow faster. Thanks for watching.